play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. 4 books every young man should have. The first book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, it goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
Is the American dream a mirage or a reachable reality? What does it mean to the young men of America today? The American dream, a concept embedded deeply in the fabric of this nation, paints a picture of prosperity, opportunity, and upward mobility achievable through hard work. Originating from the Declaration of Independence, which proclaims that all men are created equal, with the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, it has been the beacon of hope for many, both domestically and globally, for centuries. To some, the American dream is a home in the suburbs, a steady job, a loving family, and a comfortable retirement. To others, it's the chance to become a millionaire, a celebrity, or a leader in their field. But how relevant is this dream to the young men of America today? Is it still a vision they aspire to, or has it morphed into something else entirely? In this digital age where the world is at our fingertips and success is often measured in likes, followers, and viral moments, the American dream may seem like an antiquated notion. Yet it's not entirely obsolete, it's just evolved. For today's young men, the dream might not be about a white picket fence and 2.5 kids. It could be about creating that groundbreaking app, becoming a renowned esports champion, or making a difference through social activism. The American dream isn't a one-size-fits-all. It's as diverse as the people who dream it. It's a reflection of personal ambition, societal trends, and the ever-changing world we live in. So, as we embark on this journey to explore the American dream from the perspective of young men, we'll hear their stories, their aspirations, their fears, and their triumphs. We'll delve into what the dream means to them, how they're pursuing it, and what obstacles they're facing along the way. As we delve deeper, we ask, what does the American dream mean to today's young men? Is it still a symbol of hope and opportunity? Or has it become a mirage in the desert of modern life? The answers may surprise you. Now hear it from the dreamers themselves. Young men from various walks of life share their American dream. First, let's hear from John, a budding entrepreneur from the bustling heart of New York City. He says, "For me, the American dream is about freedom. Freedom to pursue my passions, to build my own business, and to shape my own future. It's about carving out my own path, not having one dictated to me." Next, we have Alex, a young artist from the creative hub of Los Angeles. He shares, "The American dream to me is about expression, the ability to share my art, my vision with the world. It's about creating something that resonates with people, that touches their hearts." Now we turn to the heartland with Michael, a farmer in Iowa. He tells us, "My American dream is about hard work and reward. It's about planting seeds, literally and metaphorically, and watching them grow. It's about reaping what you sow. From the sunny shores of Miami, Luis, a first-generation American, shares, "To me, the American dream is opportunity, the chance to build a better life for myself and my family. It's about breaking barriers and defying expectations." Finally, we hear from Sam, a teacher in Chicago. He says, "For me, the American dream is about service. It's about giving back, making a difference in the lives of my students. It's about inspiring the next generation to reach for their own dreams." Each of these dreams, though different, carry a common thread: the pursuit of individual aspirations, the desire for freedom and opportunity, the value of hard work, and the hope to make a meaningful impact. So, you see, the American dream is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It's as unique as the individuals who dream it, as diverse as the country itself. These dreams are as diverse as the young men themselves, reflecting the multifaceted nature of the American dream. The American dream is not just a vision, but a pursuit. So how are these young men working towards their dreams? Well, it begins with education. Many young men understand the importance of knowledge, so they dedicate years of their lives to studying. They delve into textbooks, devoting hours to research and learning. They're not simply amassing facts, they're equipping themselves with the tools necessary to shape their futures. But formal education isn't the only route to success. Some are taking the entrepreneurial path. They're starting their own businesses, transforming their passions into profitable ventures. They're not waiting for opportunities to come knocking, they're creating them. They're the risk takers, the game changers, the pioneers of new industries. Innovation is another key component of their pursuit. The world is constantly changing, and these young men are not just keeping up, they're leading the wave.
Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too.
They're harnessing the power of technology, exploring the frontiers of science, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're not just dreaming of a better future, they're actively building it. Some are dedicating their lives to public service, striving to make a difference in their communities. They're the teachers, the firefighters, the social workers. They're the ones who believe that the American dream isn't just about personal success, but also about uplifting others. And let's not forget about those who are breaking barriers in the arts. They're the musicians, the actors, the writers, using their talents to express their unique perspectives and challenge societal norms. They're dreaming big, and they're not afraid to stand in the spotlight and share their dreams with the world. But regardless of the path they choose, one thing remains constant: hard work. These young men know that dreams don't come true overnight. They're willing to work tirelessly, to face setbacks and failures, to keep going even when the odds are stacked against them. They understand that the pursuit of the American dream is not a sprint but a marathon. It's a journey filled with challenges and triumphs, with moments of doubt and moments of victory. The pursuit of the dream is a journey filled with hard work, resilience, and determination. Every dream has its challenges. What hurdles do these young men face in their pursuit of the American dream? Let's delve into the realities these young men confront. The pursuit of the American dream is not a smooth sail, but rather a journey fraught with obstacles. Many of these challenges are deeply rooted in socio-economic barriers. Not every young man starts the race from the same starting line. Some have to work multiple jobs to make ends meet, others are burdened by student debt, and yet others face the challenge of breaking out of the cycle of poverty. These socio-economic barriers can make the pursuit of the American dream feel like an uphill battle. In addition to socio-economic barriers, racial inequalities also pose a significant challenge. Despite strides towards equality, discrimination and prejudice persist. This can manifest in many ways, from unequal access to education and job opportunities, to racial profiling and the criminal justice system. These racial inequalities can create additional hurdles in the path towards the American dream. Furthermore, the landscape of work is changing. The rise of automation and artificial intelligence is transforming the job market, creating uncertainty about the future of work. This technological revolution can be both a challenge and an opportunity, depending on how well these young men can adapt and evolve. But let's not forget the triumphs. Yes, there are challenges, but there are also countless stories of young men who have overcome these hurdles. They have shown resilience and determination in the face of adversity. They have broken barriers, shattered stereotypes, and defied the odds. Their successes remind us that the American dream, while not easy to achieve, is still very much alive. These triumphs are a testament to the enduring spirit of the American dream. They show us that despite the challenges, the dream is still attainable. It's not just about the destination, but also about the journey. It's about the courage to pursue one's dreams, the resilience to overcome obstacles, and the determination to never give up. Yet, despite these challenges, the spirit of the American dream lives on. The American dream, a concept so deeply ingrained in our society, continues to inspire and drive the ambitions of young men across the nation. This ideal, a beacon of hope and potential, is not a one-size-fits-all dream. Instead, it's as diverse and multifaceted as the men who dream it. Let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've explored. The American dream is not merely a mirage seen from afar, but a tangible reality for those who dare to reach out and grasp it. It's a dream that can take on many forms, from the pursuit of financial stability, personal satisfaction, to the desire for social change. The pursuit of this dream is not a walk in the park. It requires dedication, grit, and a willingness to face and overcome challenges. It calls for the cultivation of knowledge and skills, the development of oneself, and the continuous striving towards self-improvement. But in the end, the reward is worth the effort. The fulfillment of your purpose, a life of luxury and leisure, is within reach. Remember, the challenges that come along the way are not roadblocks, but stepping stones leading towards the realization of your dream. They are part and parcel of this journey, shaping you into a person worthy of the dream you aspire to. But the most significant point to remember is this: the American dream is not a static concept, but an ever-evolving ideal. It changes as society changes, reflecting the hopes, aspirations, and ambitions of each generation. It's a dream that is inclusive, accommodating the desires and aspirations of all who dare to dream. Whether a mirage or reality, the American dream remains a powerful part of the American ethos, shaping the aspirations of young men across the country. It's a dream that continues to inspire, to motivate, and to drive us forward, reminding us that with purpose, determination, and hard work, anything is possible.
Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. They're great gifts for birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. A young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man.
It's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.